Welcome back, everyone. If you're tired of your trunk looking like this, go ahead, pull out all those detailing products, store them in your garage, and take a look at this. Something I came across. It is a powerhouse, multi-purpose detailer. Excellent on paints, plastic trim, chrome, wheels, tires, interior, anything on the interior except for the upholstery, and including glass. When it comes to plastic trim and your paint work, you'll have protection for about 3 months. Interior, 6 months. And wheels and tires, about 3 weeks. When it comes to being a tire shine or a tire dressing, just like most of them, the more coats you put on, the darker, the glossier, the richer it'll look. It has a nice hydrophobic barrier that will protect your tire. That said, I'm going to edit us on into the video, take a look at the Mannett's Mega Shine, and cue the porn music. The Mannett's Mega Shine can be used on paint, chrome, glass, leather, plastic, vinyl, dip, rubber, rims, and hoses. Interior, exterior, under the hood, and in the trunk. We'll demonstrate first on painted surfaces. We'll start here on the fender. Simple application. Spray right onto microfiber applicator, spread out onto the area you want to treat and protect. Let it cure for 30 seconds or more. Buff clean. That's it. Best to be used out of direct sunlight, cool temperatures. The Mega Shine has no alcohol, non-flammable, will freeze at 11 degrees or lower. Here's a little taste of what kind of gloss you can get on painted surfaces. The painted surface here has no protection whatsoever, no wax, no sealant. It's a naked clear coat. As you can see here, no beading whatsoever. So we'll treat this little surface. We'll come back, do the same thing, and you can see the difference. We're at a good angle here. You could see up close. Not much of the product is needed. A little bit goes a long way. You can see how it is when it's being applied. The carrying agent flashes rather quickly. It's easy to apply, easy to remove. Very user-friendly. Buffed to a gorgeous shine. It's cured. Let's come back and see what the protection looks like now. Should have plenty of beading. When it comes to exterior plastic trim, any color, simple application. I apply it with a microfiber application pad and I'll just let it sit on there. 30, 40, 50 seconds later, I'll come by, hit any high spots that might be left over, and let it cure. It doesn't cure glossy or greasy. It has a nice satin look to it, totally restored and protected. Textured plastic, cleared plastic, it doesn't matter what kind of trim you have, you can treat and restore and protect it with the Mannett's. It cures looking brand new, and we'll come up close and I'll show you there's no greasy or slippery feel to it whatsoever. Take notice that the tip of the glove, there's no transfer of any kind of lotion or grease or solution whatsoever. When it comes to interiors, the non-ionic surfactants can clean, condition, and protect absolutely every surface you can come upon with any interior, except for upholstery, of course. Again, cures to a nice satin new look, not greasy, natural to the touch. Don't forget about the dash, center console, speedometer cluster. Absolutely everything on or in that area can be cleaned and protected with the Mega Shine. A little bit of the product goes a long way, especially in this area here. Pea-sized little droplet on your microfiber applicator, and you'll do a large portion of the dash and center console. A nice thick layer around the center console, cup holders, will make it a heck of a lot easier to clean up spills in the future. And here we are, ready to go. A nice brand new satin finish. It can absolutely also be used on windows, windshields, inside and out. A little bit goes a long way with these areas as well. Here you can see it being applied and as it flashes. Then simply mop up with a dedicated window towel or even any microfiber. This is my favorite area to use the product, wheels and tires. I like a new satin finish. If you like a deeper, richer, a little bit more of a glossy look, go ahead and layer it up. You can put as many layers as you'd like. There's a hydrophobic barrier being created between the tire and whatever elements you drive out into. And then I finish up going over the wheel, and there we'll see how the area is water repellent afterwards. I'm going to leave the tire alone. I like exactly how that looks right now, but I will come in, buff off the wheel, and then we'll see how the tire is water repellent when you're out driving through puddles, driving rainstorms, or in free-flowing water. Of course, I will put a link down below for Mannett's Mega Shine. Comes in 8 ounce, comes in 16 ounce and gallon size. If you buy more than one, you get a deal. This product was made by a fellow detailer for not just us detailers, but enthusiasts, driveway detailers. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. I'm going to put his information down below as well. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.